guys, what's up? Welcome back to our channel. I'm Chef Aruna from Truthful Nation Baking Academy, where we help aspiring bakers just like you to become professional pastry chefs. और आज हम बनाने जा रहे हैं one of my favorite cookies that are super chocolatey and are stuffed with gooey marshmallows. Believe me, these are something you have never tasted before. But before starting the recipe, make sure that you show us some love by subscribing and hitting the bell icon to stay updated with all our upcoming videos. तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। सबसे पहले इस बोल में हम बटर लेंगे और इसी में कैस्टर शुगर और ब्राउन शुगर डाल के इसकी क्रीमिंग करेंगे until we get a pale and fluffy mixture. यहाँ पे मैं अनसॉल्टेड बटर यूज कर रही हूँ, बट आप चाहे तो सॉल्टेड बटर भी यूज कर सकते हैं, बट मेक श्योर दैट आप सॉल्ट को ओमिट कर दें। अब इसमें हम अपनी ड्राई इंग्रेडिएंट्स को सिफ्ट करेंगे, स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम ऑल पर्पस फ्लावर। Followed by Dutch cocoa powder, baking powder, and salt. इसे अच्छे से मिक्स कर लेंगे। जैसे कि आपने नोटिस किया होगा कि मैंने यहाँ पे डच कोको पाउडर यूज किया है। That is because we want a really deep dark chocolate color and flavor in these cookies. Next, we'll add in vanilla essence and milk to it and mix again to get smooth dough. Now in this, we'll add in chopped chocolates. जैसे कि आप देख सकते हैं हमारा डो तैयार है। अब हम इसे 7 पार्ट्स में डिवाइड कर देंगे, weighing 80 grams each. Now we'll take one portion, then flatten it out a bit on our palm. अब हम इसमें मिनी मार्शमेलोज प्लेस करेंगे and then we'll cover the dough around it. We'll do the same with the rest of the dough balls. Now for the decoration, we'll place chopped dark chocolates and marshmallows on top. Now we'll keep this in the fridge for 15 minutes. So our cookies are out of the fridge. Now we'll bake it at 180 degrees Celsius for 10 to 12 minutes. Also guys, if you're enjoying this recipe, then I'm sure you'll love our Oreo cheesecake recipe as well. I'll be sharing the link for the recipe in the description box, so make sure that you check it out. So our cookies are baked properly and is completely cooled down. I really hope कि आपको ये recipe पसंद आई. If you like this recipe, then do like, share and subscribe to our channel to stay updated. And I'll be back with another new recipe. Till then, keep baking.